Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Welcome back to Twoguysfinance. If you are creating content in 2025, you know time is money. But with so many editing apps out there, choosing the right one can be a headache. So today we are cracking the code in just 60 seconds by comparing two popular tools. The AI wizard actually, PHANT AI, image and video maker, and the Swiss Army knife vid.io. So let's get straight to the fact with our quick comparison. When it comes to the vibe, PHANT AI Video Maker is the AI assistant, while vid.io is the editing studio. When you look at who or what they're best for, PHANT AI is best for speed and automation, while vid AI is best for precision and control. When we look at their core strengths, PHANT AI turns text into full videos in seconds, while vid.io has a huge library of easy-to-use editing tools. When we look at their magic touch, PHANT AI has AI scripts to video, which means you write the idea, the AI finds the clips, adds voiceover music, and every other thing you need to go to make a great video. While vid.io has a one-click magic that includes subtitles, background removal, and screen recording, and they are all super simple. Next, learning curve. PHANT AI is practically non-existent. It's too low, almost zero. While that of vid.io is low also because it's intuitive, but you have more options to learn. Lastly, PHANT AI is great for volume. You get unlimited videos on Pro plan, while vid.io you pay for your features and it can get pricey with add-ons. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you need a 30 seconds promo video fast, then PHANT AI, you just type in the script, he generates, and you have the complete video under a minute. It's hands-off and incredibly fast. But if you're using vid.io, you will likely start with a template, upload your own footage, and then use their amazing tools to polish it, like auto-generating perfect subtitles or cleaning up your audio. So here's the final verdict. Choose PHANT AI Video Maker if your priority is pure speed and you want to generate a high volume of content without touching a timeline. While you can choose vid.io if you need more hands-on control, if you work with your own footage and love having a vast toolkit for subtitles, effects, and fine-tuning. Both are fantastic investments that save you money over hiring an editor. The best tool simply depends on your workflow. That's it for this quick comparison. Hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments section.